this is Katie from KT and the Squid. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet the pearl scarf. So this is the pearl scarf right here. This is a super simple, really easy pattern to work up, which I think makes it a great gift idea if you need a last minute gift, because it's just a one row repeat, so it doesn't take a lot of brain power and it works up really quickly, and in the end you have this beautiful fabric which anyone would be happy to receive as a gift. This is also a free pattern on my blog, so I will link to where you can find that pattern, as well as if you like to have a PDF, you can purchase that from either my Etsy or my Ravelry store. For my scarf, I used 3 skeins of Fashion Aran from King Cole. This is just a worsted weight acrylic yarn in this beautiful pearl color. I really like this color. And I am using a J 6mm hook. Gauge isn't super important for this project. My finished scarf ended up being about 10 inches by 76 inches. I did list the gauge in the pattern, but if you'd like to skip that, I'm not going to stop you. I am also going to tell you how you can adjust the size if you need to. And then just as a little bonus for you, I worked up a swatch in the same stitch using 3 colors, just so you could see how it looks like if you would like to stripe it. So since it took 3 skeins of yarn, if you had 3 different skeins of yarn in different colors, you could go ahead and stripe doing color 1, 2, 3 and then continuing 1, 2, 3. Then you don't have to fasten off at all. You just carry the yarn up, and that's how this looks, which I think is a really fun alternative. So for this video, I will make the swatch a little bit smaller. Basically, I'm going to be making the gauge swatch just so you can see how the stitch works up. So for your scarf, you're going to chain 48, but I'm going to chain 24. If you'd like to adjust the size of it, you just need to chain a multiple of 3. For row 1, you're going to single crochet into the second chain from your hook. Then you're going to skip 1, and in the next chain you're going to work a single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, all in the same chain. So single crochet, chain 2, and then single crochet, and that's all in the same chain. Next, you're going to skip 2, and then you're going to work that same single crochet, chain 2, single crochet into the next stitch. And then you'll just repeat that all the way across your chain. So skip 2, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet in the next chain. And when you get to this last repeat, you should have 2 chains left. So to finish off this row, you're going to skip 1 and then single crochet into that last chain. And here's what row 1 will look like. Now the rest of the pattern is just a repeat of row 2, so I'm going to show you how to do that. You're going to chain 1 and you'll turn. You're going to single crochet into the first single crochet. Next, you're going to single crochet, chain 2, single crochet into every chain 2 space of row 1. So again, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet into that chain 2 space. And you'll repeat that all the way across to the last chain 2 space. And after you work into the last chain 2 space, you're going to single crochet into the last single crochet. And this is what it'll look like after row 2. So next you're going to just repeat row 2 until, what I did is I repeated it until I ran out of yarn. Again, I said I used 3 skeins of this Fashion Erin. Or you could repeat it until it's the length that you'd like. My scarf is about 76 inches. You could adjust that if you'd like. And again, this is what the fabric will look like as you're working. So I decided to leave my scarf just like this, but if you'd like, you could add some fringe. I think that would be really pretty. I will link to a video that shows you how to add fringe if you'd like to do that. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give it a like, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.